Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this session, we will be discussing about the bond formation, particularly biomolecules. So the polysaccharides, polypeptides and nucleic acid consist of chain of sugars, amino acid, nucleotides respectively. So here it is the polysaccharide structure, polypeptides and nucleic acids. So polypeptides consist of sugars, polysaccharide consists of sugars, polypeptide consists of amino acid subunits, and nucleotide consists of nucleotides. The subunit of polysaccharide simple sugar linked by covalent bond called the glycosidic bond. Here is in this example the two sugar are joined by the alpha 140 glycosidic bond. The number refers to the carbon involved in the linkage. Two simple sugars can be joined by the dehydration reaction in which carbon atom of one molecule react with the hydroxyl oxygen atom of the other molecules and releasing a molecule of water. The subunit of polypeptides are amino acids. The amino acids are connected by covalent bond called the polypeptide bond. Peptide bond. Amino acid has one or more amino group and one or more carboxyl group. Two amino acids can be joined by dehydration reaction in which the amino group of one amino acid react with the carboxyl group of another amino acid, releasing a molecule of water. The two amino acid link result in dipeptide link by the peptide bond. Now nucleic acid. Okay. So DNA consists of two nucleic acid strands that wrap around each other in the form of double helix. Each strand is polymer of nucleotide linked together by covalent bond. Nucleotide consists of sugars, base and a phosphate group. Two nucleotides are connected by phosphodiester linkage. Two nucleotides can be joined by reaction in which hydroxyl oxygen from one nucleotide sugars reacts with the phosphate atom in the phosphate group of another nucleotides.